gonna take a day trip to Hakone. Hakone is located in Kanagawa Prefecture, right next to Tokyo. Although it's rainy, it's gonna be an amazing tour. I think we're gonna explore historical town, volcanic valley, and take a private hot bus. Let's go! Okay, so we are going to take a special express to go to Hakone. It was very hard to take the special sheet, and I'm gonna tell you how I took it in a minute. Let's go! Oh my god! So now just arrived. Very wide as you can see, and I'm guessing the conductor seat is over there. And I'm going to take this seat. Amazing! So this is my sheet, everyone. Right in front of the window. Oh my god. I love the color. This is like a wooden color. And this window is so white. Oh my god. It's moving. It's moving. It's so smooth. Very nice. So what I got from Sawamura is this. Check it out. I got a bread. Oh my god, coffee is spilled. There's a cup of coffee as well. Finally, morning coffee. いただきます。So Sawamura is very famous in Tokyo area. Actually, there is another resort nearby Tokyo. It is called Karuizawa. Karuizawa also has this Sawamura bakery and always long line. And I got sakura cherry blossom bread. I can smell cherry blossom. So sweet. Oh, I didn't know that there is lots of big red beans. Before reaching the zone cars 2, 4, and 6. So there are only 12 sheets observatory deck available in a romance skirt. You can actually book the ticket 1 month in advance, online or phone call. And I tried many times to take it online, but I couldn't. So I was like calling to the customer service center of Odakyu train company, and they told me the secret. You can actually go to one of the Odakyu line station and ask the staff to book the ticket for you. And I went to the one of the stations last month, and then I figured there was another person waiting for the ticket, so I ended up going to another station, next station, and asked the staff, and then I got it. Yes, 1 month in advance you need to go there, like before 10 a.m. and then ask the staff. But that's the secret I did. Oh my god, he's coming out from the rooftop. Now we are at Hakone Yumoto station. We arrived here, which is the gateway of Hakone. There are so many hot springs and Japanese food. We're gonna explore around trip by this cute train. Welcome to Hakone Yumoto Station. Although this is not a good weather, still beautiful. I have been here only once, but it was by car, so it's my first time to arrive at Hakone Yumoto Station, and I feel some nostalgia somehow. Yeah, it's a very good atmosphere. It's like I don't know. I feel like I am with my parents. I mean grandparents, maybe both. This is Ajisai Bashi. I know it's rainy, but I decided not to use an umbrella today. So apparently Hakone Yumoto Station has lots of omiyage gifts for your friends and family. Very nice nostalgic atmosphere. So this is Hakone Onsen Manju. If you come to the Hotspring spot, you can find lots of dumplings with red bean paste, and maybe you can try. Wow, beautiful. Yummy. We came to a place where there are lots of Japanese inns. I'm very amazed by this beautiful location. Look, there are cherry blossoms, full bloomed, very beautiful. This Japanese inn is so big and beautiful cherry blossom. Hakone has some special atmosphere thanks to this river, and also lots of nature and cherry blossom. Very nice. We came up to Southern Station. Yes. I was kind of motion sickness on the bus, but now with this fresh air, I feel amazing. We're gonna take Ropeway from here. So we came to Owakudani. Look at this landscape. It actually smells like sulfur. It's handmade, how Hotspring has made. Look at this big black egg. Here in Owakudani, they use Hotspring and then boiled egg to make boiled egg. And now it's sunny. So we're gonna check out the boiled egg. Let's go. Finally, lunchtime. Today we're gonna get this black ramen. So you can see this ramen noodle is so black. And look at this boiled egg. This is actually kuro tamago, black egg. So probably you were thinking that black egg might be inside is also black, but actually it's just a boiled egg, and it is. It is said that if you eat one black egg, your lifespan is gonna last 7 years longer. Yeah, so it's like how tamago works. I'm not so good at it. Yes, I hope it's gonna be well. Not bad. Itadakimasu. So maybe first I wanna try the glove. Look at the color. It's not transparent at all. I think it's tonkotsu. Oishii. Kind of salty and nice tonkotsu flavor. Yeah, it makes me very warm. It was very cold. And look at this. It's a bit gray, but I've never tried this black noodle. Is it Instagrammable? Itadakimasu. It's not very have some I forgot the name. Eel, the hot spring smell. Yeah, it's a regular boiled egg. It's yummy. So we ended up getting off the bus because the traffic is so jam. So oh my god, we decided to walk up to the hot spring and water this hidden lots of statues. We are literally walking in the middle of nature. Other this place. What is this for? I think it is Ebisu. Oh my god! What is this pink colored oat vending machine? Can we still use it? Oh my god! The colors are so fade and oh no! Apparently we can't buy these drinks. Look at the beautiful entrance! Let's go! So, this Hakone Yumoto is only for day trippers. So they don't have any accommodations, but they have 6 different kinds of onsen and 19 private onsen, which is very special, and beautiful facilities they have. So I got this room key. We're gonna go to Yamaboshi. Let's go. It feels amazing actually. Yeah, I didn't expect this whole wonderful view. Yeah, beautiful nature. It's like in the middle, beautiful garden here, and I just love this whole atmosphere. How relaxing. So my room is gonna be on the edge. Yamaboshi. Let's get in. Welcome. Wow. It's got an entrance. It's like a Japanese traditional sandals for Japanese inn. And I love this antique drawers. Very nice. Look at this beautiful room. This is all for us. I love this little cushion. We call it zabuton chairs. And this one. We have little beauty station for ladies. I think it's very nice. We have very nice hair dryer and some amenities. Wow. Wow. This is very wide and beautiful rocks. Look at this. This is only for us. I can smell very nice nature smell, or maybe from this shampoo or body soap. I don't know, but I love it. Yes, finally, we can have a relaxing time. So this hot spring private onsen, you can book from 2 hours, and I came kind of late. So we're gonna have 1 hour and a half, actually 1 hour 10 minutes now we left. So let's take a bath. Oh my god, it feels very nice. Yeah, I can feel the fresh air of outside, and I think the temperature of this hot spring is quite warmer than usual. I think like about 42 degrees Celsius or something. Like normally I take like 40 degrees Celsius hot tub. Yeah, and this water is very smooth. I can feel my skin is getting very smooth, I think. It just feels amazing, I woke up like 4:30 in the morning, and it was all day rainy, and I wasn't expect such a cold weather today, like less than 10 degrees Celsius, and now it's very warm, and I don't have to worried about other people. I think hot spring like with other people is also fun. Yeah, sometimes I can get to know some people, but still, if you some foreign people are shy to show your naked body in public. Here you can just enjoy the time with your family and friends. Yeah, so nice. So I took a bath and totally relaxed. I can now sleep actually. But here Hakone Yumoto has this special nice restaurant, and look at this. They have Japanese traditional sunken barbecue charcoal. So you can actually grill like fish or chicken. But I'm actually not so hungry, so I'm just gonna drink this ginger ale, and I got a little Japanese sweets. We call it zenzai. Look at it, it's beautiful. I think it's actually matching to my sweater today. Anyways, super thirsty, so let's drink it. Oh, nice one. Hey, I like this glass, very cute. Kanpai, everyone. Itadakimasu. 美味しい. Ginger ale makes me so refreshing now. I was so thirsty on the street. Yeah. Yeah, we really need hydration. And my God, it's actually warm. Can you see the steam here? So zenzai is normally warm. How do you call it? Like sweet red beans, kind of soup. いただきます。This shiratama is actually very soft. It's very yummy. Let's see. So that's all about it. It was so much fun to come to Hakone and enjoy the trip with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.